What's good, people? It's your boy, the Pan African Hustler here. So today we're going to be learning how to make money online. I'm going to show you some proof. Today is the 23rd of March, 2021, and let's go to my account. And this is the proof of sales right here. I've made over $2,000 today, as it says right here, March 23rd, 2021. Okay, as I have a combination of funnels right here, as you can see: Pan African Hustler, Timothy Love, Steel Bite Pro, Tinnitus, and Daily Fire Solutions. It's a mixture of a drop service and sales pages, ebooks, some courses. You know, I'm the hustler. So let me show you how I do how I make some of my sales. Before you get to the YouTube page, you want to go to clickbank. I'm gonna log into my other account. Okay, this one here. Okay, so as you can see, I haven't really made anything with this account here. And you're gonna go to marketplace. You're gonna click right here, search. You're gonna rank it according to you're gonna sort it according to gravity. Okay, we already did a bunch of these products, but we already know. You're gonna get the link and everything, promote it, right? Copy and paste, same method. Okay, then you're going to go to the YouTube account and look for let's say Carbofix review. Carbofix review. See, there's a bunch of Carbofix reviews, right? 60 views, 7 views 1 day ago, 8 hours ago, 1 week ago. And if you click on them, you're going to notice they have a link that goes straight to the sales page. You understand? So if each of those 370 people, right, wanted to buy, they'll just click here, and this guy will make like Carbofix $100 per sale. Like, imagine 300 times 100. He's caking, right? So basically, that's what you want to do. That's how I make some of my sales. Okay. So yeah, I mean, if you guys have any other questions, just let me know. I mean, this is a very easy and cheap way to make money, and you make money forever. As long as your videos stay online, you will make money forever. See the way this guy did.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Emily.
I don't know if that's a real voice, but you can use a computer generated voice if you want. Or you can use your own voice. You can describe the product with your own voice, and just put it up there. I make sure everything is make sure you talk properly, and make sure you describe the product properly, and also remember to put the link inside the description, just in case people want to buy it. Okay, my daughter, who told me she's taking it, she's already losing weight. I just bought 5 pots already. So people are buying. Imagine buying 5, okay? 5 times 100. This guy made $500. So that's how you guys are going to make some money. You know what I'm saying? Like this. $2,000. Alright? And you got to have a mixture of products. You can't just be doing one business and expect to make a bunch of money like this, right? You got to have a mixture. You know, you got to sell digital products, you got to sell physical products, then you got to sell some courses. Okay, yeah, man, you got to be flexible. That's why I call myself the Pan African Hustler. You understand? So if you guys have any questions, just hit up the links in my description. And yeah, get to know me. I got a few courses for you. So if you want to learn how to make money online, passive income, just click the link in the description. I have a course called the Perpetual Income 365. Okay, Perpetual Income 365. Go check it out, and you guys are going to learn a lot. Trust me. Alright, man. Take it easy. It's your boy, the Pan African Hustler.